Help.
It's slowly moving. Look at it.
I am in it.
Oh my god, it's sinking ship.
Oh, bye-bye.
Come back here. I said come back here.
Oh my god.
This is causing so much lag.
Lag. Oh my god.
Holy crap.
Heavy your woods, look, it's a sinking ship.
I went to grab it and it just started doing that.
Oh my god. It's sinking.
Hey, Derp Man.
Hello.
How you doing, Derp Man?
Hey, Poison.
Gonna
Did you
get
see
you.
this?
Yeah.
Did you see this?
I guess it's impossible to make that base movable.
Oh my god, look. Okay, oh my god.
Guess it's impossible. Happy
No
I
one's in
just
the
found out it's
helicopter, it's taking
impossible
off
to
by
make
itself.
that base
Oh
movable.
gosh.
2, 1.
There's a pilot.
Dude, it's gonna hit the drawbridge. And the drawbridge doesn't work. Hey, Poison, do you see me now? I'm jumping off of the radar. I'm just a giant baby say on the chair. Sooner or later, to make everything work again, you'd have to like, the admin would do cleanup, like complete cleanup, and then it would make everything work again.
Maybe like
The ship is colliding against the drawbridge.
I think that's a lot of thrusters for you. Macho. It's a lot of thrusters.
I'm being crushed. Help me! Poison. Poison. Look at the side of him. Look at the left side of this dude. A little
it's on
brother.
the ship.
Remember, you can see me.
I see the left side of the ship.
Whoa!
Oh my god. The sinking ship is lagging up. Why is it glitching out?
Mayday, ship is sinking. It is going down. To my dick. Isn't it, Poison?
Oh my.
And Pink?
The ship's screwing up. The frick?
Get the
I didn't
fuck
see that
down
jump.
from there. Do it, you bitch. Do
Well,
it.
let me do this again.
What the hell?
Oh god dang it, hold on. Hold on, let me spawn it in again.
Guys, I'm doing live.
I really wish this drawbridge
now.
I really wish this drawbridge would work. And I know how to make it work, but no one wants to.
Yeah, look, you're the king of the world!
Ah!
Torpedo!
Better watch the sky. There's something incoming.
Yeah, I'm getting in my dog.
The ship is sinking! The ship's starting.
It's gonna sink now.
Got hit by a random flying thing.
Ah!
Come on.
You know, even if the server doesn't have weapons, wire is a weapon. As long as there's wire, there's always weapons.
Yep. The ship is sinking! Bah!
Hey, dude, why did you just kill me?
Ambulance to the ship crash
Help
site.
me!
It might have been an accident.
The ambulance is here.
Whoa! Whoa! I almost killed someone.
Ship's almost sinking.
You know what's funny,
Here.
Dev? When I touch you with a
What?
tiny box, you go flying. Like on a demonstration.
You mean or devil laughter? Oh shoot!
I gave you just demonstration of what a tiny box can do.
What the
Was
heck?
packing
Do a full cleanup. Do a full cleanup, please.
There's
Oh my gosh.
trailer.
What the frick?
Holy crap! I'm lagging.
Yeah, do a full
Dev,
cleanup.
I think your thing didn't survive. No, it can't go in tornado. No.
How'd you guys...
Oh yeah.
Ship's sinking.
How do you mute
Do
people?
a cleanup.
Yeah, I think cleanup would be good.
Hey, the
Let's
drawbridge
vote
is
on it.
working.
Yeah.
The drawbridge is working again.
Is it just me or did I just see a giant?
Someone's gonna have to go away soon.
Why'd you stop the vote? Poison.
It was random.
Boom!
I was actually if yes
It
won.
wasn't
If
open.
yes for the memes won,
It was
we were
an
going to
open
clean
shop and
up.
also it was
Hey, Poison, that wasn't actually random. It was a vote for if we're going to clean up the server or not.
You typed in there was weird though.
Hello.
I know about what you typed in.
For
It
this,
was
or I
weird
am
and
gonna
random.
clean it up. Keep on forgetting I'm holding in my X instead of my F. Yes, no. Yes,
So
it's
many
gonna win.
people voted yes.
Yeah, no, that's good.
I know.
So that we
we
don't
need
have
it.
high ping. Oh no, that dude with the plane is back. Okay, clean up.
Yeah,
Save your
alright, we're about
shit.
warning, we're about to do a cleanup. Too bad, we're doing a cleanup.
Yeah,
So many, like,
Don't
3
stand.
people hate it.
no. Okay, stop spamming, or you guys get muted.
If you guys spam and chat, you'll get muted.
By both me and Poison.
When are we doing the, when are we doing the cleanup?
Right now, I think. Well, everybody say their stuff.
Well, I don't have anything to save. I don't have anything to save, so I'm ready.
Yeah, me too. All I have is this vehicle repair machine. Not even a machine. It's just a device. Bye! Really? It floats.
Are we all ready or what?
Yeah, just clean it up.
When we do the full hey guys, when we do the full reload, at least it'll get the radar back.
Yeah.
That's loud.
After I so-called destroyed the weather radar.
Hey, you know what? Someone should park on the bridge when I open it. It would be funny. Like right in the middle.
I can't, you have to buddy me. I think Happy can though.
Yeah, I've been trying to duplicate.
You have to weld everything though.
Come on, someone do the thing.
Okay, I'll see if I can.
Why can't you have to buddy me? Wait guys, don't clean up yet. Happy, come here. What the fuck? How did these get? What the heck?
Hey, poison.
It only will advance dupe one thing after
Do not fly for what I'm gonna do. Poison, can I do something to you?
Now let's try it. It only advanced duped. Let me try and get a little bit more in there.
When we doing the cleanup.
Just do it now. You gave enough time.
You'll just have to put the roof back in, if that's fine. You can clean up.
Come on, clean up.
Are you going to clean up or not?
Just do it!
Thought you were going to do it, Devrock.
I am trying to figure it out. Do I just go into the Q menu?
Okay, I'll just say, go into Q menu, go into utilities by
Okay,
options.
I know that.
And where it says admin, click cleanup and then click clean up
Okay,
everything.
everyone, I'm doing a cleanup, so make sure everything's due right now. So, gotta get ready. I'll give a 10-second countdown.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That was fun.
I didn't get all of it, but I got most of it. But you won't be able to use
Everything
it.
should be clean.
I'll just buddy you, LA.
Yay, the radar's back.
Alright, you can use my stuff now.
Ah!
Come on, man. Now, boy, let me whisper in your ear.
No, you don't. Mine's not
No,
that
you don't.
easy, and yet it runs.
No, I just have a regular old laptop and it's running fine.
Yeah, me too.
Not even a gaming.
Mine's a desktop. I forgot about that.
Everything just turned dark for a second. Ah!
Yeah, no. Someone's doing that.
Damn it.
Whoever's doing that, stop. Please.
Happy. It was me. Apparently, I found I put a frog thing
How?
down and I started messing with it.
Really? How?
Like literally,
Can
the
I-
frog thing flew in front of my face. So how could I not mess with it?